What we're here today to talk about is something that can help and intervene through people making often bad decisions. There's many factors that come into it, and technology is making a difference.
70% of our fatigue events that we see out there happen in the first hour of a shift. You don't fall asleep while driving unless you are very tired. And we're seeing around about 0.7 to 1 event per 10,000 Ks driven. And so if you look at a 15 million K transport task, that's about 1,000 times the drivers will fall asleep during a 12-month period.
So the core technology of seeing machines is actually face and eye tracking algorithms or smart cameras that can detect a person's face, and it's mostly through fatigue and distraction and monitoring of drivers.
We talk about global cameras. The integration with seeing machines and AutoSense makes a hell of a lot of sense for us. We concentrate on health and safety and fatigue, and it's a nice partner for EROAD to have. What we've seen is that a driver being identified and held accountable is having about a 50% improvement on their speeding and driving behaviour for the fleets that we operate on.
So when we start looking at this, the Guardian machine, it's the intervention, the actual waking the driver up. So it doesn't matter how bad the dispatcher is and the company management is, you will get that driver awake. And I'd have to say to date, in the companies which we've got, I know of no major incident where one of these machines has been fitted.
The cameras, as I said, they're an extension of the wider operational risk culture that we're developing. Certainly it's raised our awareness of fatigue and device distraction. Once you get involved in this sort of process, your awareness from our perspective, the operator's perspective, and our intermediaries, the franchisees, has increased enormously. So this becomes now one of our service tools in service of our statement up here, and making sure they arrive safe and get home when we're all good. That's the answer simply to why we're using Guardian. It's pretty simple.
So what we know is about 97% of accidents actually occur through poor decision making. So what we're able to do is put people into situations on the simulator where normal things that happen every day out on the road will occur, and the driver has to anticipate those and make the correct decision.
So I think on behalf of Charles and the team, AutoSense, and on behalf of all the panel meetings today, thank you very much for attending, and we really appreciate it, and go out here and fix the world. Let's go.